I'm Cindy Curlow with news for you on the film Gone with the Wind. Gone with the Wind made millions, both the film and the novel. This story is based on life during the Civil War. Here with us today, we have author Margaret Mitchell to talk about her wonderful novel. Hello, Margaret. How are you today?
I'm good.
So tell us a little bit about what made you write a book.
My husband saw my writings and how I'm a creative thinker, and he convinced me to write a novel.
Why did you choose to write about life during the Civil War?
I really have no answer for that. It was on my mind at the time when I started to write, and I thought it'd be a good topic with a lot of information to use for the story.
Is it true that a lot of the characters relate to real people in your life?
Yes, most all the characters in the book relate to someone that was in my life during the Civil War.
That's very interesting. Did you ever think that your book was going to be a big seller?
Not at all, Cindy. It was the first book I wrote. I thought it would be nothing.
How long did it take you to write this novel?
It took me 8 years to write the full novel.
Wow. Why so long?
Well, it took me a while to build a story. I had to think of good names for the characters and make sure everything actually made sense.
Did you have any help from family or friends?
I had support from all of them, but I wrote this novel by myself, with only my ideas. I didn't tell anyone that I was writing it except my husband.
That's very interesting. How did the novel become a film?
David O. Selznick bought the rights for me for $5,000. I was excited to see my work as a film.
Wow, that's amazing. Did you like the actors they picked for the parts?
Actually, Cindy, yes. I thought they did a good job taking on the roles of each character.
That's good. So, you were satisfied with the film?
Yes, I was amazed. It was great to see something I wrote become so big.
Well, that's about all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for being here with us today, Margaret.
My pleasure, Cindy.